If keeping your pool clean feels like a chore, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Today we're taking a full look at two brand new cordless robotic pool cleaners, the Beatbot Sora 30 and the Beatbot Sora 10. They're both designed to deliver hands-free, zero-effort pool cleaning. In this video, we'll unbox them and show you how they work in real life. Both of these units are completely cordless, which means no hoses, no cables, and no complicated installation. You simply charge them up, drop them in the pool, press start, and they handle the rest. So let's unbox them and see what's inside. Starting with the Sora 30, inside the box you'll find the robot itself with the 5-liter debris basket already installed, along with the charging cable, a retrieval hook, the user manual, and a quick start guide to get everything rolling. Everything you need to get started is included right out of the box, so setup is super straightforward. Moving on, the Sora 10 includes the same core accessories in the box. The first thing you notice immediately is how lightweight it is. At just under 19 pounds, it's very easy to carry, drop in the pool, and store when you're done. Like I said, inside the box you'll find the robot with the debris basket already installed, along with the charging cable, retrieval hook, manual, and a quick start guide. Overall, it feels very compact, simple, and clearly designed for easy everyday pool maintenance. So now let's dive into the features that truly set them apart. While most robotic pool cleaners only handle the floors, walls, and waterline, the Sora 30 goes further. It's the only robotic pool cleaner in this segment that can automatically identify and clean platforms in shallow areas as low as 8 inches deep. The Sora 30 uses dual ultrasonic sensors, one in the front and one underneath, to understand your pool layout in real time. The front sensor, located here, detects walls and obstacles for precise edge cleaning. The bottom sensor, located here, recognizes platform height and slope angles. This allows the robot to transition smoothly between floors, walls, waterlines, and platforms without getting stuck or missing critical areas. In terms of power, the Sora 30 delivers 6,800 gallons per hour of suction, which is impressive for a cordless cleaner. It's built on our hydrobalance structure, using a center-mounted pump and an advanced multi-motor system to maintain strong and consistent suction. Combined with the dual roller brushes on the front and back, a wide suction inlet, and a bottom hugging design, it handles everything from fine sand to heavy leaves. This dual group roller brush system gives it excellent traction, so it can climb the pool walls even on curved and sloped pools. It also has a 10,000 milliamp battery, so you get up to 5 hours of floor cleaning or around 4.5 hours of full pool cleaning. So that's enough to cover pools up to 3,200 square feet for maximum cleaning coverage in a single session. When cleaning is finished, the Sora 30 automatically floats to the surface, drains the internal water, and parks near the pool's edge for easy pickup. Like I mentioned earlier, inside there's a 5-liter debris basket, which is about 1 to 2 times larger than what you'd find in many other standard pool robots. It can hold up to 650 leaves, so you won't have to empty it very often. And under normal conditions, you can typically go 1 to 2 weeks before the filter basket needs to be cleaned. The app will let you know when it's time to empty the basket. And if you want even clearer water, you can switch to the optional ultrafine filter. This captures particles as small as 3 microns. Now let's move on to the Sora 10. The Sora 10 has a few less features than the Sora 30, but it focuses on the main 3 target areas where pool contamination occurs: the floor, walls, and the waterline. It moves between these zones to remove debris, algae buildup, and oils without manual input at all. The Sora 10 also cleans standard platforms in shallow areas like the Sora 30, as long as the water depth is at least 13.8 inches and the platform size meets the requirements. It uses intelligent pattern recognition and obstacle detection to keep it moving smoothly without getting stuck. This makes it a solid choice for most standard residential pools if it's not a super complex pool layout. Similar to the Sora 30, the Sora 10 delivers 6,800 GPH suction power, powered by the same hydrobalance platform. The same dual 5.1-inch roller brushes again create that wide 10.2-inch cleaning path, which helps it clean efficiently with fewer passes. As far as battery power goes, the Sora 10 has 7,800 milliamp hours, which provides up to 300 minutes of floor cleaning and covers pools up to 2,600 square feet in one run. When cleaning is finished, the Sora 10 automatically parks itself at the waterline, usually within 10 minutes. That means you don't have to fish with poles or hooks, just grab it and you're done. And it uses the same 5-liter debris basket, which means less emptying, even during heavy debris seasons. In real-world use, both robots are extremely easy to operate. Just charge, drop in, and press start. No complicated setup, no learning curve, just straightforward automatic cleaning. So the real question is, which one makes more sense for your pool? If your pool has sun shelves, steps, or shallow platforms, the Sora 30 is clearly the better option. It's designed to handle those more complex layouts. But if your pool has a more standard shape and depth, the Sora 10 gives you a simpler, lighter solution that still delivers strong cleaning performance. At the end of the day, both the Sora 30 and Sora 10 both make pool cleaning far easier and are more hands-free than traditional cleaners. It really just comes down to the type of pool you have. And if you're looking for even more features, check out the review of the Sora 70 and stay tuned for a comparison of all 3 models. Check out the links below if you want even more details, drop a like, and let me know in the comments which one will you pick for your pool. Thanks so much for watching, see you in the next one.